I just put $100 in the machine. I have 22 hands and $90 right there, and I got the golden train. Betting $5. Let's see how it goes. Come on, Major, or something. Don't do me like that. Okay, don't do me like that. Come on. Something good. Okay, saved it. Alright, 170. Let's see how it goes. I'll take this one about 5 times or something. Come on. Dang. Heck yeah, $1,000. I'll take that. I'm already satisfied. Oh, still doing it. Alright, I'm satisfied. I'll take that. I got like about 1,280.